Yes, sir.
Today we will discuss XML source qualifier transformation. XML source qualifier transformation. Okay. Generally, what's the purpose of source qualifier transformation?
It performs all the operations, sir. Router, sorter.
Along with that, what is the main purpose of?
To perform join
Okay.
and
So
all that.
main thing with the source qualifier transformation is it will read the data from the sources, right? First thing is it will read data from the source and it will give it to the
Yes, sir.
Informatica. That is the source qualifier transformation, the main purpose. Right? So here XML source qualifier transformation. XML source qualifier means it will read the data from XML files. XML means extensible markup language. For example, it will be like this. So EMP details, EMP details, EMP. Okay, and then EMP number. EMP number is
Yes, sir.
100. It will end up like this. Did you see this kind of code anywhere? EMP name ABC, EMP
Yes, sir.
name. It will end up like this. For example, salary 1000 and it will end up with salary. Okay, like this. It will start the values and then column names. It will end up with the column names. At the same time, it we have started with the employee table name. We have to end up with table name and then EMP details also is there. EMP details. See, like this. This is the XML code. So it will be in this form. So if you want to read these type of data in Informatica file, then must and should we need a XML source qualifier transformation. Okay, we will create one
So,
XML source XML file. This is a file, right? So this data will be there in the file. So we will create this same data in a file. Generally,
yes,
we will create a flat files folder, right? Files in the flat files folder. So in that place, we will create a XML file and then we will use this file and
yes,
then
sir.
with the help of source qualifier, we will load the data into target table. Okay. Now we will see this. I will give the control to you. Just a minute. Take the control now.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. I didn't get that pop-up window, sir.
1 second. Yeah.
Should I create it here, sir?
1 second. I am unable to view your screen. Share your screen. Mhm. Yeah. Okay, fine. Good. Now go to
Okay.
that flat file folder.
I shared it, sir.
Yeah, fine. I'm able to view now.
Okay.
Here create a folder called flat file. Anywhere, go to C,
Here only, sir.
or if it is fine, if it is in the desktop also, no issues. Do one thing, in the desktop create a folder name is like flat file.
Okay.
Okay, go inside. Okay, create a new
Yes, sir.
text file.
With what name, sir?
Give the name like customer. Don't give any space. Customer. Okay, let it be. Now and edit that one. Double click
Sir,
on.
only customer, sir.
Yeah, let it be. I will tell you what we need to do.
Yes, sir.
Now create the data the same way. First open the bracket. It's emp hyphen details. Okay, good. And the yeah, good. Enter emp. Good. And then yes, employee number. Good. No, first yeah, forward slash and then emp number. Good. Okay. Okay, good. Do one thing. Now we have only one line, one row, right? So if you want multiple rows, okay,
Yes, sir.
do one thing. Copy from EMP.
Okay.
EMP is there, right? You open. So EMP and then up to end of EMP.
Yes, sir.
Copy that end of EMP below. Yeah, copy and then paste just end
Yes,
of
sir. I
EMP
copied.
over there.
Yes, sir.
After the EMP, end of EMP, paste it. Same thing. No, no, no. Above. Yes, after end of EMP. Yeah, paste it here. Now change the values. Okay, good. Okay, same way, one more time. Do the same thing. So we are entering multiple rows. Okay. Now do it. Save
Yes, sir.
as.
I did, sir.
Save as. File. Go to the file. Save as. Save as. Not save. Okay, fine. No, no, no issues. Save as. One second. In the drop down list, save type XML. Select
Yes, sir.
XML. Select. No, wait. Yeah, in the drop down list. Otherwise, all files. Select all files is there, right? Yeah. Now,
Yes,
okay,
sir.
let it be. Now, customer.xml type file name. Here only. file name is that, right? Customer.xml. So this should be in
Yes, sir.
double quotations. Customer.xml should be in double quotations. Oh, no, wait. Open a double quotation here after XML. Generally, we will give yes. Yeah, good. Yeah, same thing.
Yes, sir. I opened.
Yeah, first initial also. Customer.x. Yeah, C. Before C, we need to put double quotations. Yeah, now
Yes,
save
sir.
it.
I did, sir.
Save,
Yes, sir.
save it. Okay.
Yes, I saved it, sir.
Now close this one. See, the XML file came here, right? See here that icon. It's showing like a XML.
Yes, sir.
Right? Close this one. Now close this file. Yeah. Now if you want to open, yeah,
Yes, sir.
it will see this a XML format. Right? It's showing in the XML format. Good. Now we will take this XML file as a source table.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and then I will load this XML file into the target table. You will see.
Okay, sir.
Okay, first go to the source. Source is a XML file, right? Source.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Click on the source. First one. Yes, tab. Source. Import from
I
XML.
clicked, sir.
Yes, import from XML
I did, sir.
definition. Good. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Click on yes. Yeah. Okay. Click OK. Click OK. Just a minute. It's drafting slow for me. Okay, and then next. Okay, do one thing here. First one, second option, hierarchy relationship. Yes,
Yes, sir.
denormalized XML views. Denormalized XML views. Good. Now click finish. See the data. See the XML how it came. XML source. See
Yes, sir.
all the things came, right. So EMP number, e-name, and then salary. Right? See, EMP number is integer, name is in string, and salary is integer. Good. Now save it. Control S. Now we have created a
Yes, sir.
XML source. Now we need to create a target. Right? So go to the target. Yes. Here, do one thing. Go to the target tab. Create. create option is there, right? Create. So target
Yes.
is our Oracle database. So in the Oracle, we are going to create a target table. Now, XML underscore target. XML underscore target. Good. Create. Now, give the create a column names. How many columns we have created over there?
3.
Yeah, number, name, and then salary, right? Create those three
Yes, sir.
columns. Okay, good. And save it. One second, one second. Click on this
Yes.
target and then we need to generate and execute, right? If this table, okay, if we want to create this table
Yes.
in the database, then we need to generate and execute. Yeah, good. Generate and execute. Okay, good. Now go to the database and then check if this table is created or not.
Okay, sir.
Good. It's created, right? So now
Yes, sir.
go to the Informatica and create a mapping for this. Expand that XML files, that plus symbol. Yes, now we need to, yeah, good. See, when you are pulling the XML file, generally
Yes.
we are pulling the source of sources, any db, and then any files. So what it will come along with the source qualifier will come, right? See here.
Yes, sir.
Now, along with the XML source qualifier transformation came here, right? See this
Yes, sir.
XML source qualifier transformation. So why? What is the purpose of XML source qualifier? To read the data from XML files, right? It will read the data from XML files and it will give it to the Informatica. Now, do one thing. Now, just whatever the data is there in XML file, just we are loading into the target table. Now take a target. Good. Now connect all this EMP number to EMP number, name to name, and then salary to salary. No. Okay, good. Now save it.
Yes, sir.
Now create a workflow and session for this. Our expectation is whatever the data is there in the XML file, it should be load into the
Then target.
target table. Yeah,
Target.
good. Now, what is our source? Source is a XML file, right? So, if it is a file, then what we need to do?
Yes, sir.
We need to give a path of that particular file, right? So, go to
Yes,
the
sir.
source. No. Here only in the mapping tab. So, click on the source. So, here we need to give the path, right? From where it should pick the data, right?
Yes, sir.
Come down. No, not here. Come down. See, source file directory. Here we need to give the path. Generally, how we will give the path to the flat files the same way. Copy the path. Yeah, this particular path you can paste it over there. Good. Now, what is the file name? Source file name.
Customer, sir.
Yes, customer.xml, right? Give.
Yes.
It's showing data.xml. Apply. Click OK. Save it.
Yes, sir.
Good. Now open the monitor and then trigger the job. See how many records loaded to the target table?
3.
3 records. So go to the target table in the Oracle database and then check how many records it got loaded. XML underscore target.
Yes, sir.
See, right?
Yes, sir.
Whatever the data we have created in a XML file, all the data it came to the target table, right? This is XML transformation. Okay, good. Now
Thank
we'll
you, sir.
discuss some more things. Now come to the workflow manager. Workflow manager. Okay, good. Here, okay, if you observe here, once again, close this one. Here, see, we have workflow designer. We are going to create a session, right? So we have one more option is called task developer, right? Task developer. What is the purpose of this?
We can develop individual tasks here and then use it in the workflow designer, sir. Just
Good.
pull and use it.
Yes, those things are reusable. If you create
Yes,
any
sir.
task here, so task means it's a instructions, right? It's the instructions
Yes.
Informatica what we need to do. So here in the tasks we have so many things will be available. Like we can able to do one thing. Go to the task tab, go to the task tab, then you can able to see create, yeah, create it. And the above drop down list is there, right? The session is there. Yes, click on that one. See command and email. Command
Yes, sir.
task and email task is also available. So all these are also task. Session is also one kind of task. The same way command is also a task and then email is also task. So session and command and email, these three things are reusable tasks, remember.
Okay, sir.
If you create a session here, it can be reusable. The same way, if you create a command task here, that command task can be reusable. The same way, if you create email task, that email task can be reusable. Okay. So along with this
Okay.
task, we have some more tasks. Those are not reusable. Okay. Now go to the workflow designer. Go to the workflow designer. No, here in there only workflow manager.
Yes.
Yes, here do the same thing. Go to the task tab, and then task tab, create. Now see the drop down list. See how many is there?
Session, command, decision, event, right?
Yes. So
There are
event wait, event raise, okay, command, okay, decision, okay. All these are the different tasks. Timer, okay. See, assignment,
yes, sir.
booklet, all these are the different tasks. These tasks are not reusable. If you create this task
Okay.
here, those tasks are not reusable. Remember, only three tasks is reusable, right? One is
Session, command, and
yeah,
email. Okay, sir.
another one is command, another one is
Email.
email. These three are the reusable things. Remaining tasks are not reusable tasks. Okay, I will discuss one by one about these tasks. Now go to the first, go first. Okay, okay. Session we discussed, right? Session
Yes, sir.
generally what we are doing. So we are creating a sessions for each and every workflow, each and every mapping, right? That is a session.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Now command task. So command means it will execute a command. It will execute a command. So maybe it can be a DOS command. It can be a Unix command. So it will execute both the things. For example, if you want to copy from one place to another place, copy the data. Okay, then it will execute that particular command. For example, do one thing. So when the job is completed, any job is completed, then we need to copy this particular file from one place to another place. For example, go to the flat file folder. Yes, create one folder inside this. Right click and then create a folder called succeeded success or success files. Okay, let it be. And then one more folder like fail. Fail. Okay, good. So we have two things, two folders, success and failed. Okay, here
Yes.
once the job is completed, for example, once the file is processed, file loaded into the target table, then we need to move this particular file to success folder. Otherwise, if the job got failed, then we need to move this particular file to failed folder. Understood the requirement,
Okay,
right?
sir.
What we are trying
Yes,
to
sir.
do.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
Yes,
good.
sir.
Now do one thing. So go to workflow manager, go to the workflow manager. Now we are creating a command task here. We are creating
Yes,
command
sir.
task. Yeah. No, no, no. Don't give any XML, just command. Just give a command underscore task. C underscore, yes,
Is
good.
that enough?
Yes, enough, it's enough. Create, and then done. Now put this command task, okay, after the session and give the link condition for this. Give the link.
From start, sir.
No, no, from session to this. Yes. Now we discuss the link condition, right? What is link conditions? If it is succeed or failure, according to the status, the next thing should be executed.
Yes, sir.
Right? Now double click on the link condition. Double click. Yes. Good. Here status equal to succeeded. Click on the status. Status is there, right?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Double click. Status equal to succeeded. Type succeeded. SUCCEEDED. Okay. Status equal to succeeded. Validate. It means if the status equal to succeeded, then only the command should execute. Whatever the command we have created here, that command task should be executed. Click OK. Okay, now double click on the command. Okay, here we are going to give the command, whatever the command we need to execute. Now go to the commands tab. Commands tab. Good. Now add icon is there, right? Good.
Yes, sir.
Add it. Now go to the right hand side command. Yes, edit here. Here we need to give the command. Whatever the command we need to
Oh,
execute. It may be a like DOS command. It can be a Unix command. If we want to execute the Unix
Unix, sir.
command, so Unix should be the configured to the particular Informatica. Now we have the DOS, so we can execute the DOS commands. Okay, go inside.
Oh,
Now copy caps, give the cap letters, copy, okay, space. Now go to that particular flat file folder and copy that path. Go to that particular flat file folder, copy this path, yeah, paste it,
yes, sir.
okay, and then slash customer.txt file, no, yes, customer, small letters. The file name is small, right?
Yes, sir.
Customer.txt, customer.txt, and then space, again, space, give space. Now go to that
Yes,
particular
sir.
file folder,
Which folder, sir?
double click the success, double click. Now copy this path, complete path. No, you did not copy it completely.
Okay, sir. 1 minute.
Give one space, yeah, copy the complete thing. Now what it will do, so once the job is completed, then it will copy that particular customer file to this particular success
Succeeded.
folder.
Success folder.
Clear, right? The requirement, what we are doing with the
Yes, sir.
command task. Now click OK.
Yes, sir.
Click OK. Good. Now apply. Apply. OK. Now save it. Control S.
I saved it, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Now execute this job. Now in the success folder we don't have anything, right? We did not created any
Yes,
file.
sir.
Now execute the job. See, command is succeeded, right? Command is also succeeded, at the same time session is also succeeded.
Yes,
It
sir.
means, so whatever the tasks we have created, all the tasks the workflow is executing, right? First it is executing session, and then if the session is succeeded, then only it is executing command task, right? It means once the file is copied, once the file is processed, then only we have to move that file to particular folder, right? So
Yes, sir.
go to that particular flat file and then check in the succeeded folder that file copied or not.
It is not here, sir.
Refresh. One second. It's not there. Just command, go to the command task, just we will check the command what we have given. Open the command.
Sir, 1 minute, sir.
Yeah. The same thing, right?
Yes, sir. I thought the customer, there was a mistake in the first part.
Okay, okay, fine. Okay, now try to execute this one. Saved, right?
Yes, sir.
It's not coming. Do one thing.
It is a.
Go to that particular command and then remove the .txt. Then we will see. So maybe it's not picking. Okay, now try this. Save it first.
I saved it, sir.
Okay, good. Okay, now check.
It is not here, sir.
Now double click on the success ones. No, it is not copying. Refresh the things here. Just right click and then refresh. Do one thing, open the session log. We will see what is happening. Open the session log. Maximize. Okay, come down. Come down.
Yes, this is it, sir.
1 second. So where it is copying, so it's not showing here.
Yes, sir.
Right. Go there to the close this session log and open the task. Double click on the task. See, command task is there as C underscore task. Just double click on that one.
I did double click, sir. Nothing is.
Right click. Just to click on task view. Go to task view is there, right? Come down. Go to task view. Yes. Every time it is succeeding, right? But it should pick. 1 second. Give the control to keyboard and mouse control to me.
Yes, sir. 1 minute. You got it, sir?
No.
Sir, I by mistake stopped the sharing, sir. If you can give me control.
Okay. You have the control.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Now, how to give controls to you, sir?
Okay. Just go to the screen option and then you can able to see that start key sharing keyboard and mouse.
I didn't find it, sir. Where?
Go to the screen option. Below the screen sharing, one more option will be
Yes,
there.
sir.
Start keyboard and mouse, like share keyboard and mouse. Are you able to see the option?
No, sir.
Okay, you are in desktop version, right? So it's not possible, I think.
Mm,
Okay, fine, no issues. Open this one. Open Informatica. We will see what is the issue. So you
yes.
understood, right? What is the purpose of the command task?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I will figure it out. So maybe the commands, how it is not copying properly, I think. So go to the command task once
Where, sir? In the workflow manager?
in the workflow manager. Just a minute. Give instead of copy, just give move, move, move. We will try this command once. One second. Before that, go to that flat file. Go to that flat file folder. Go back. Double click on the customer. Close it. And then do one thing. Right click on the customer. Go to the properties.
Yes.
One second. Here the location path is there, right? Below. Copy the whole thing up to flat file.
Yes, sir.
The same thing. No, same thing anyway. And do paste it. Customer. If that file is
Yes.
in caps letters or small letters, just check the name. CUS.
I'm seeing, sir.
Same thing, right? Small only, right?
Yes, sir.
Custom.
Yes, sir.
Try with .txt. Customer. Okay, do one thing. We are trying with the move, right? Okay, fine. When stop and then success. Okay, fine. Click apply. Okay, and then save it.
I saved. Yes, sir. I saved it.
Okay, check now. It's not coming.
No, sir.
No, it should move actually.
Everything is correct, sir.
Yeah,
The destination folder name.
everything is correct, but it should work. Do one thing. Instead of capital letters, give the small letters. Okay, or copy anything.
You want me to give copy, sir?
Give copy. Then we will try. Actually, it should work. We will see this why it is not working.